Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel. Today, the trim function. It cleans up extra spaces, the leading ones, the trailing ones, and the doubled up ones between words. Tiny function, huge impact on messy data. 4 real examples coming up. First up, a static string. We've got Charizard typed in quotes with 3 extra spaces in front and 3 more behind. Type equals trim, open paren, quote, the spaces and Charizard and more spaces, quote, close paren, hit enter. Trim strips the leading and trailing spaces and gives us back a clean Charizard with no padding. Next, extra spaces inside a string, not just around it. We type trim of, quote, fire, comma, 4 spaces flying, quote. Hit enter. Trim collapses those 4 spaces between the words into a single space. We get fire, comma, flying, perfectly readable. That's trim's hidden superpower, fixing the gaps inside. Now a cell reference. We point trim at B2, which is Charizard's name in the data table. Type equals trim, open paren, $B$2, close paren, hit enter. Any stray spaces, leading, trailing, or in the middle, vanish. We get Charizard, ready to use anywhere. Last example, padding on both sides. We type trim, open paren, quote, 4 spaces, quote, ampersand, $M$2, ampersand, quote, 4 spaces, quote, close paren. M2 is Charizard's record string. Hit enter. Trim scrubs the padding off both ends without touching the single spaces inside. The clean record comes back exactly as it should be. So that's trim. One small function that quietly removes leading spaces, trailing spaces, and collapses doubled up spaces between words into one. Pair it with clean to also strip invisible characters, and your imported text is dashboard ready. That's how you make Excel. And if you want to take your trim formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.